For this recipe, we are using 3 pounds of sweet onions. Peel and slice the onions thinly, and to slice them, cut parallel to the grain of the onion, just like so. Now, in a heavy bottom pot or a Dutch oven over medium heat, add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, followed by 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the butter has melted, transfer the sliced onions into the pot. Add a pinch of kosher salt to help pulling the moisture out. Now to caramelize, continue cooking over medium heat, stirring frequently. This will take about 45 minutes, so do not rush the process. Cook and stir, cook and stir, cook and stir, cook and stir. I don't know about you, but when I'm having French onion soup, I feel sophisticated, I feel expensive, and then it hits me, oh wait a minute, it's just onions and bread. Meanwhile, grate 8 ounces of Gruyere cheese. Stir the onions more frequently towards the end so they don't burn. And after 45 minutes, once the onions are caramelized, add 2 cloves of garlic, mince and saute for another minute. Then add 1 cup of red wine and deglaze the bottom of the pot. Continue stirring until all the wine has been cooked out, about 6 minutes. And once the wine has evaporated, add 8 cups of beef stock. Add a couple of sprigs of fresh thyme and 2 bay leaves. Bring the soup to a simmer, and once it comes to a simmer, reduce the heat to medium-low. Continue simmering for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, slice 1 French baguette. Slice the baguette in about ½ inch thick slices. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius. Then transfer the slices onto a baking tray, and to make them nice and crispy, brush them with olive oil. Now bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 6 to 8 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. And once the bread has been toasted, set it aside. And once the soup has simmered for about 30 minutes, taste and adjust salt and pepper to your liking. At this point, you may remove the bay leaves and the sprigs of thyme. Then ladle the French onion soup into oven-safe bowls. Do not fill the bowls to the top as you need space for the croutons and the cheese. Place a couple of slices of bread onto each bowl. Then top them off with the shredded Gruyere cheese. Now bring back to the oven and broil on high for about 2 to 3 minutes or until all the cheese has melted. And to finish it off, garnish with fresh chives. It looks like now you are ready to eat. Ooh. There you guys have it, French onion soup. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.
Yeah.